Hello everybody, today we're going to be making a blue smoothie and you will see why it's blue very soon. But to start off, we're going to gather all of our fruit ingredients, and we like to buy everything fresh and freeze it ourselves because it actually tastes better than just buying it frozen to begin with. But if the fruit is not in season where you are, or whenever you are making this, then you can just totally buy frozen fruit as well. But we're going to first cut up some mango and set that aside to freeze. And then my dad is just chopping it into cubes so that it could freeze well and fast. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything, it's gonna get blended anyways. And we're also going to be adding pineapple. Did you know that apparently, like for pineapples, like every single one of those little spikes you see, you can just rip it, rip it off and bite it like that? I never knew that. But anyways, he was just saying that he can't use the small knife anymore. You have to upgrade a little bit. And then just go ahead and chop the top and the bottom off, and then you can go down the sides. And that is the core that we will not be using. And finally, we're going to do the same for bananas. Actually, for 4 bananas too. Yes, that works. And then once you're done with all that, and those are all frozen, so make sure they are completely frozen, you can throw that all straight into your blender along with some shredded coconut. And finally, it's not really a secret ingredient, but it's just the key ingredient. It's not very secret because it is quite blue, so you would know that it's there. But you're going to finally add the blue spirulina after you blend it. So blend it through the first time. Actually, I'm sure you could all add it at the same time, but I guess for aesthetic purposes, it's nice to pour it in after and see how it swirls down. But yeah, you're gonna add your blue spirulina, and when we make smoothies, we really like to pack it with things that are good for us, and this is really high in nutrients. It's a really good antioxidant. It lowers your cholesterol levels, and it actually helps with allergies too. My dad has a lot of allergies. And yeah, it's just a really good thing, and it's nice to include it when you don't even taste it, because all the other like fruit flavors drown it out, so it's not like you're tasting anything bad, so you just get the benefits without any repercussions, and I think that's a pretty good deal. And then to make cute little the little balls that you saw in the beginning, my dad is just going to cut up some dragon fruit Oh my gosh, it looks so good. But what's funny is dragon fruit is like the one fruit that doesn't taste like anything, even though it looks so good. Like there's a lot of fruits that are look very bland, like literally mango and pineapple and banana, but they have such a high taste. However, we got insanely lucky with this dragon fruit because it actually tasted really, really sweet out of nowhere. So that was a very nice surprise. And yeah, so anyways, he's just using a little tablespoon just to make these cute little semicircles. And then we're gonna place that on top of the smoothie just to make it look pretty. And in this case, the dragon fruit did taste sweet, so it did add to the sweetness of it. um, but that's about it. We hope that you guys enjoy this blue spirulina smoothie, and let us know in the comments down below what your guys' favorite smoothies are and what flavors you'd like to see us try, because I definitely want to try them. That's it. Happy blue smoothieing. Bye!